And we're back with this thing. Haven't touched it in a while. Last thing we did is finally install the wing that Rudy kind of like modified for me. He used to be flat, and I had him mounted a little further back and then mold this little piece here, make it look a little more flush. It came out fucking awesome. Look at this shit. Looks like it came like that. I haven't started it in a while. Let's see if this guy will turn on here. Or I can get it open. Or not. There we go. She's a little rough on the inside.
Right.
But I have a new carpet. It needs to go in, but I'm gonna put that in after we install the bags. That way we have all this space to run all the wires and whatever needs to go underneath. I have a OEM dash that's cracked that's going in here, and a cover lay that's gonna go on top of that, so it'll clean up that area a little bit. And oh yeah, I got some new Street Faction door cards that came in finally, that I picked up rather. Those things are gonna go in, and I also just received my brand new status seats. So this is a original status seat that I got a long time ago. I traded it for a sparkle seat that was too big for this car, and I've always liked how it fits. It's this is their GTX. It's their biggest seat they have, and I'm a pretty big guy, and I fit in there pretty nicely, and the seat fits in the car really good. So pretty excited to get the new seats in here. And I kind of went with the new seats. They're black with blue stitching, and then I have these white harnesses I'm gonna run. I kind of went with that theme because I got this steering wheel that I like a lot, and kind of has that same thing. It has black with blue and white little accents on it. So that's kind of what the theme is gonna be for this interior. So like I was saying, I haven't turned this car on in a while. So let's see if it'll actually turn on. Nice. She turns on every time. Gotta love Jay-Z's. Been having a few little issues with the Jay-Z actually. Mainly because I didn't really go through it before just throwing it in. I just didn't really have time to. I was limited on time and space. So kind of got the Jay-Z from the importer and just kind of just like threw it in. Didn't really go through it, so still have to go through a few things. Having some weird issue where when you rev it, the RPMs kind of drop. Not quite sure what that is yet. As soon as I get the bags on, I can drive the car. I'll have someone take a look at it. Hopefully it's something simple. If not, whatever. It actually drives just kind of underpowered. Maybe it just needs a tune, I'm not sure. But yeah, this thing's coming along finally. It's been a long time coming. So today we're gonna try to knock out the Street Faction door panels. Got my buddy Caesar here to help me out. I don't know, we have enough time. We'll install these new status seats. Pretty nice. Digging the new, I don't know if it's new, but digging this logo. So I already got started. Street Faction has a pretty good install video on these, so not really gonna be doing an install video, just kind of showing what I'm gonna do. So I got all the rib nuts installed here. Requires 5 per door. And normally this True Faction one comes with this little pull strap. Put it on here and then you feed it through the door card, and that's how you pull the door closed. But I want to do something a little different. I want to use these NRI Night Runner International toe straps and kind of use those as a pull strap for the door. So the screw that it comes with is kind of small, so probably just gonna use a larger washer. And then for the door panel itself, it has the hole for the thing here, the strap itself. But I'm gonna have to Dremel that out a little wider for this guy to fit through. So as you can see, the hole is way too small for this. So got my trusty Dremel here. The Dremel doesn't allow me to do it from the outside. Here we go. Now I'm going to see about how we can get obviously these pieces removed, but also retain that round shape. I'll use a drill bit or something. I'll figure it out right now. Came up with an idea about making these edges round by drilling using a drill bit. That's the best way we're gonna get a round shape. Got Caesar here helping me remove all the other shit from the other door panel. In the meantime, instead of using that strap that it comes with, just put like a little washer. I mean, it's not like too crazy heavy duty, as long as you can pull the door. It doesn't need that much craziness. So, crossing our fingers, hopefully this will pull right through the door panel hole that we just made, or enlarged rather. And yeah, let's see how it looks. So yeah, I got all these little push pins put in there. I'll figure out the speaker stuff later. I have to get another speaker. I don't even know if mine work. I got the bottom ones in, and this came out pretty decent. It's not bad. Just gotta put all these bolts in here, the top ones, but it looks pretty good. I'm trying to figure out a way to put that plastic trim piece that goes on here. I don't remember if I saw that if it actually goes on there with this design. Maybe we can modify that. I don't know. Maybe paint this or get a new one. I don't know. We'll see. But this is looking pretty good so far. So wow, I am very pleased how this came out. We did slight modifications to it, but overall this is a really good quality product here. One of the modifications we did was we made the hole for the strap a little bigger so I can use the Night Runner International toe strap as a pull strap for the door. And originally the True Faction door card B2 comes with a little slit here. I'm guessing it's for structural support around the door lock here. But I wanted to use this. I'm not sure if it was designed for you to use this original piece, but I wanted to use it, so I just went ahead and like Dremeled the little bar here, and just removing that, I was able to insert this thing, the little cover here for it. So I mean, it works perfectly fine. And also, I didn't want to use the OEM ugly old window lever thing. I guess I could have painted it, I got a new one, but got these from Amazon or eBay, I can't remember, but it's pretty cool. It works, it does the job. Just gotta find like a sleeve for this or something. But oh, and also yeah, I'm gonna get the speaker thing figured out soon. But overall, this is how it's gonna look. I mean, this is such a nice, clean product. I really like it. I'm really happy with it.